majority of the cases, the main reason for that is Microsoft Store. So first you need to go here and just check for your settings. And I will go in settings and turn this option of app updates. This is the main reason for majority of the cases. It won't show as Microsoft Store is updating apps, but in the delivery optimization, it is actually updating the apps. All right. So if you two are noticing that network service in your background is using a lot of your bandwidth, then here are a few fixes. So if you directly try to end this task, you won't be able to do this. Access is denied. So what we are going to do is just type services and hit enter. And just here, look for Windows and Windows updates. So here I can see Windows update. And first I'm going to the properties and click here stop. So in a second it will stop, and go here. Select disabled and click on OK. So this is a temporary fix. Windows will automatically after some time enable this. Also just go to delivery optimization, right click and stop it if it is running. And you can't go to properties and just disable it because Windows won't allow it. So now what we are going to do is just open your settings and go to updates. So there you can see Windows updates and click on pause updates. So here I have already paused this for a week. And now what we are going to do is just go on advanced options and make sure the first option, the second option, and the third option are turned off. And what we are going to do is go to delivery optimization and uncheck this option. So if it is turned off, turn this off. And just also have a look at these options, make sure these options are turned off here. And now just go to your Wi-Fi and go here, and this is my Wi-Fi that I am being connected to, and just make sure this is also turned on, a metered connection, in order to control the amount of bandwidth that your Windows is using. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.